Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I will explain you about different types of nutritions. So I will explain you about number 1 autotrophic nutrition, number 2 heterotrophic nutrition, number 3 hologic nutrition, number 4 parasitic nutrition, and I will also explain about the nutrition in unicellular organism, amoeba and paramecia. So first I will explain you about autotrophic type of nutrition. Friends, the first type of nutrition is autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is nothing but the organisms prepare the food materials from inorganic materials, inorganic substances. The organisms will prepare the food from the inorganic substances like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, carbon, etc. So it will prepare the food from inorganic substances. The preparation of food material by the organism is called as autotrophic nutrition. So in the autotrophic nutrition we can say that organic materials are prepared from inorganic ones. Organic materials are prepared from inorganic ones. The best example of autotrophic nutrition is green plants. Green plants prepare the food material by the process of photosynthesis, and some of the autotrophic fungi some of the autotrophic bacteria and fungi also obtain their food material by autotrophic mode of nutrition, and we can say green plants is the best example for autotrophic nutrition. So another important point in autotrophic nutrition is the organisms of the autotrophic nutrition contains a green colored pigment called as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps in trapping of sunlight. Trapping or capturing of sunlight. As it is the site for trapping of sunlight, it also plays a key role in the process of photosynthesis. Coming to heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which the organism cannot prepare its own food and depend on another organism for the purpose of food. Mainly it will depend on plants for the purpose of the food. So most of the animals are heterotrophic and most of the fungi and bacteria are also heterotrophic. Majority of fungi and bacteria are undergoing the heterotrophic nutrition. Most of the heterotrophs for the purpose of food they depend upon autotrophs. And all the non-green plants, bacteria, heterotrophic fungi and human beings, including the human beings, these all will depend upon the autotrophs for the food requirement. The parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which one organism obtains the food material from another organism, another animal or plant without killing it. Means if there is an organism A and this is the organism B, so this organism A wanted the food material, so it will obtain from the organism B without harming it or without killing it. Means at last both are getting benefit. So an organism obtains the food from another organism or another plant or animal without killing it. This type of nutrition is called as parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition is seen in most of the fungi and bacteria. So then this organism is called as parasite. Means it is getting the food from this. This is called as parasite. And this organism is supplying food to this. Then this organism is called as host. The organism which is obtaining the food is called as parasite, and the organism from whose the food material is obtained is called as host. So this is called as parasitic nutrition. Think logically, as this organism B is helping organism A by supplying the food material, both must be helpful to each other at any time. But here it is opposite. This organism B is supplying food to the organism A and it is helping the organism A. Nothing but host is supplying food to parasite and helping it. But in the case of parasitic nutrition, always at all the ways the parasite will harm the host. Means the organism A will always harm the host. Sometimes the parasite may even kill the host. So this is called as parasitic nutrition. So I said that parasitic nutrition is seen in fungi and bacteria, and it is also seen in plants such as Cuscuta, and it is also seen in the animals like Plasmodium. So this is about parasitic nutrition. Friends, coming to the hologic type of nutrition. Hologic nutrition means that feeding on solid food. By observing this statement, feeding on solid food, we can say that the best example of hologic nutrition is human beings. Why? Because we all the human beings directly depend upon the solid type of food. Here the hologic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which the organism takes the complex organic food material by the process of ingestion into the body. Ingestion is nothing but the process of taking food material into the body through the mouth is called as ingestion. So the hologic nutrition is nothing but the mode of nutrition by which the organisms take complex organic food material inside the body by the process of ingestion. So this ingested food means the food which had kept into the body through the mouth will undergo digestion. The ingested food undergo digestion. After undergoing digestion, it also undergo absorption. So after the ingested food undergoes digestion, absorption, then there will be leftover food which is undigested or unabsorbed. Undigested food or unabsorbed food. And this food is thrown out of the body through the way of anus. So this is the hologic nutrition. Most of the animals and human beings. Most of the animals and human beings are undergoing this type of nutrition at present. So friends, this is about the 4 type of nutritions. Actually, I wanted to explain you about nutrition in amoeba and parasite and in paramecium. But the video will become lengthy. So in the next video, I will explain you about nutrition in amoeba and paramecium of single cellular organisms. I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.